Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to restore the PIN code to your Windows account on HP OmniBook 5 Flip laptop. In order to do this, you're gonna have to click I forgot my PIN option beneath the PIN field. And if you don't see this option right here, then you're gonna have to make a couple of attempts of entering your PIN code. And after a couple of incorrect attempts, you will eventually see I forgot my PIN option beneath. Click on it, and then if you have a Microsoft account on your device, if you linked with your laptop, then you're gonna receive a message on your email after clicking send code option right here. And after you receive this message, you will find a code in it which you're gonna have to enter on the following page, and using it will restore the PIN code to our account together. However, if you have a local account set up on your device, in such case you're gonna have to answer one of the security questions that you prepared for yourself for such situation. But if you don't remember the answer, any answer to any of the questions, then in such case the only solution would be reinstalling your Windows from USB. And we have a separate video on our channel where we explain how to perform USB installation through Windows installation through the USB flash drive on this laptop. So if you're interested, you're highly welcome to go ahead and check it out. And now let's proceed by restoring the Microsoft PIN code, the Windows, the Microsoft account PIN code. So just click send code, and then check your email address and see if you have already received the code. The code will come to your account immediately, and all you have to do is simply enter it right here, then press enter, and then set up a new PIN code for your account. So click continue, and then enter a new PIN code in the first field and confirm it in the second one, and make sure that you remember it this time. Click OK, and after a couple of moments you will be returned to your desktop. And so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.